Hi everyone, we are going to solve a Snakecode. It's an easy challenge, so let's go in. First of all, we have this one, child.py, and it's a C compile of Python. So for reverse engineer this one, we can use uncompile, and this will give the source code. And here, as we can see, the bytecode is the 2.7, so we can use Python 3. So here we've got Marshall, and it performs some operations, and this one is the interesting one that contains the flag. So for solve the challenge, we can with this we import Marshall and base64, and this is a lib, and we just pass the string, and this will print the flag. So here I've got a Docker of Python 2.7, and we can just if we run without this, we can see here the flag, and with this regular expression we can get them pretty print. So it's